Hey guys, so recently I've ran out of all the supplies except for tape to make any new fidgets. So I think I'm just gonna go to the trading hub and trade some of my old fidgets. Let's go. Okay, we're here, guys. Hey, there's like nobody here. What's that? New event. Find all 10 fidgets in time for a prize. That sounds fun, and there's like nobody here. So I guess I'll go. Oh, hi, are you here for the fidget hunt? Yep, when do I start? Or, like, when does the clock start? Well, the moment you start walking down those stairs, this hunt will start. So, whenever you're ready. Hey, thanks, bye! Okay. Let's see if we can get a good view from up here. Oh, there's one. Yes. Okay, one down, 9 to go. Just put it in my pocket for now. Okay. Don't really see any. Oh, there's one. Oh, and there's another one. Okay. Now 7 to go. Guess I'll go check in the kitchen. Hey, you thought you could slip my eye. Okay. My pocket is getting pretty bulky. All right. Did I say 6? I think I said 6. Okay, 6 more to go. Oh, there's one, another one. Yes. Check on the sink. I don't think they would put any down the garbage disposal, do you? Nah. Okay. Wait a minute. There's one. Okay. Wait. Kind of stinks in here, but I guess I'll check the bathroom. Guess they're remodeling or something. Oh, here's one. Okay. That's like 10 more to go? No, not 10. Let me just sit down for a second and count. Okay. 1 minute left. 1 minute left, everybody. Okay, I guess I should count quick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more to go. Oh gosh. Okay, I have to look quick. Here's one. 2 more. Yeah, 2 more. This must be the Lego club or something. Do they have Legos over here? No, they don't. Or, I mean, fidgets. Oh my gosh. I better keep looking. Do these horses have anything? Oh, here's one. I don't think this one will fit in my pocket though. 9 more. Oh my gosh. 30 seconds. 30 more. Oh, geez. Wait, that lady has a fidget. Maybe that's one of them. Yes. Hey, what's the big idea? Well, you had the last fidget, and now I have all 10. So what's my prize? Quick, just teleport back in the trading hub, and I'll go there too, and then I'll give you your prize, okay? Okay. Okay, could you please empty out all the fidgets you found today? Starting with this one. Here we go. This might take a minute. Okay, thank you. Let me just count real quick. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're all good. Now, can you tell me what your dream fidget is? It would really just be any fidget in general, or any poppet. Well, you're in luck. If you really like poppets, and this is the last one we have. Oh my gosh, really? I won this? Yep, and thanks for playing the event. We'll see you next time. Yep, you're welcome. And thank you, and bye. Okay, I'm back. I'm so glad I finally got a real puppet. Now I don't just have to use the homemade ones. I'm so happy. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and bye.